All right, guys, we got the Palomino Puma 25BHFQ travel trailer here. This is a nice little hybrid between a bunkhouse and kind of a corner bunk, so it keeps the unit a little smaller. This unit here is 31 feet 9 inches, has a dry weight of 6,973 pounds, has an exterior height of 11 feet 1 inch, has a freshwater capacity of 43 gallons, black water of 35 gallons, and a gray water capacity of 70 gallons. So let's get into it. All right, guys, we're here outside the Puma 25BHFQ. We do have the 2 propane tanks with the battery space for 2 batteries as well. Power tongue jack, battery disconnect, it's all right there. Then moving around to the side, we do have a pass-through storage here. One of the nice things is it does have solar on the side. That way you can plug in like a suitcase solar panel and help charge your batteries up a little bit. It does come with the power stabilizer jack, so you got your control here for the 2 jacks on the front, and then you got one on the rear for the 2 jacks on the back too. We do have a huge awning here that covers the length of the camper, gives you plenty of sitting space outside. All right, guys, so we're moving over here to the entertainment area of the exterior of this Puma. So you got your TV mount there with all your hookups. You got kind of a outside kitchen as well. It's actually got a Frigidaire mini fridge and a Greystone griddle that slides in and out. That way you can cook your bacon out here and not smell up the entire inside of your unit. All right, guys, moving to the rear of the unit here. So we do have our single control for the rear stabilizer jacks here. And then we got our spare tire with the spot to put the sewer hose back here. It does have a shower, an outside shower with your shore power hookup, your city water connection. It's got prep for a backup camera, and then you got your ladder to get to the roof over there as well. All right, guys, we're in the Puma 25BHFQ. We're gonna go in the main living kitchen area here. So we got our TV hookup right here. You got your radio, which is dual zone, 5100 BTU fireplace, so you can play this radio inside and out. Makes it nice if you want to listen to the radio outside as well. Moving over here to the dinette. So this one does have the big U-shaped dinette. Now this is going to fold down into a bed, provide you with a little extra sleeping space. A nice big window there as well. USB ports here to help charge your devices. And per usual, you got your storage underneath the dinette. And then we got the kitchen over here. So you got your 3-burner gas range, your oven underneath, your Magic Chef microwave, a good amount of counter space, and a nice deep sink here. Provide you a lot of cleaning space. You got your cabinets above and below. So plenty of storage in this relatively smaller kitchen and smaller unit, but plenty of space to store your goods. All right, so when you first walk in the door, you're actually going to have a pantry here. So this is going to have a ton of space. Put whatever you want, inside or outside items. And then that's going to be right next to the bathroom here. So we got a nice big shower in this Puma. So this is a smaller unit with a huge shower, glass doors, medicine cabinet, sink with the storage below, little toothbrush holder, and then you got your fan and skylight there as well. All right, so one of the more unique features of this unit is going to be the bunk house. So typically in a unit this size, you're going to have the bathroom like we had here, and then you're going to have some corner bunks. The cool thing about this unit is it actually has a slide out on that side, a smaller slide out, and it has a wall here, but this wall will actually move. So it helps open this up if you want to have some more sitting space, or just make it feel more open. It does lock in up there at the top, and you got your little counter space here for a TV, little jackknife sofa with the bunk here as well. And then at night, the kids can actually shut this up, have a little wall with a door that closes them off. So it's a pretty unique feature of this unit, but A lot of people really enjoy it. All right, and then we actually have a 12-volt, 11 cubic foot fridge here. So plenty of space to store food and drinks. I'm moving here into the master bedroom. Actually, a good amount of space in here, and you have a closet here on the far side. So you got 3 shelving units there. You can store shoes, clothes, towels, whatever you need. You can store all of that right here. You do have a little wardrobe here on either side of the bed as well. You can hang some shirts up, some pants, whatever it might be. You do have enough space here as well for a CPAP machine, charge your phone, outlets here on either side, and individual controlled lights. That way, if you still want to shut one off, you can, and kind of make it a little darker in here. All right, guys, so this is Mike over here at RV Wholesalers. We just walked through the Puma 25BHFQ. If you're looking for a smaller bunkhouse, around 30 foot, this is definitely the way to go. Give me a call. My number here is 937-649-5632.